Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Gemma if you didn't already know, and if you did know, hi, my name is Gemma and welcome back. Today I have a very anticipated unboxing for you today. Drum roll please. Brrr. It is Sugary Carnival, made to order. Yay! I finally got my Sugary Carnival and I am so excited. It is a dress I never really thought I would own. Like, it's always super expensive, secondhand, but here we are. I believe I got the blue JSK with the matching headbow, and I think I got some socks. I'm not entirely sure. I don't quite remember if I got anything else from the release besides the dress and the headbow. I think I got some socks. So without further ado, let us get into this box and see what I ordered. Also, this lighting continues to be a little awkward. Do forgive me while I figure out how to film in my new place. But let's go ahead and get unboxing. Here is the box. It is quite small but very dense. So let's go ahead and get on into it. Slice. 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 Here she is open. I was gonna reuse this box for my Depop, but she's kind of fallen apart, so probably not. And if you haven't followed my Depop, bam, there it is. Go check it out. So at the top, my shopping service included some cute Halloween candies. It's adorable. Got some cute ghost washi tape, a little Halloween sticker. We got a melon candy and a strawberry candy, and some stickers or something. All right, let's go ahead and grab this Angelic pretty bag out. Ooh. Ooh. Ta-da! All right, so here is the Angelic pretty bag. It was taped with more cute Halloween washi tape, but it kind of popped open. So, yes, smells like production. It smells like capitalism, that's what it smells like. Here is the sneak peek in the bag. Okay, let's start. Oh my goodness, spoiler alert, I did get socks. Gotta go in for the sniff. Here are the socks. I believe these are the ones in white, and they just have little rainbow stripes and polka dots. The trim up here is pink, and then same with the little heel and the toe accent colors. Yeah, they're just really simple socks that kind of go with everything in these like pastel colors. So I thought they were a pretty good purchase. Very cute socks. And the next thing, so here is the headbow. The made to order release is super bright and colorful. Like, I'm used to seeing Sugary Carnivals like very like muted and maybe even faded. This is like very bright and vivid, and I'm like kind of not used to that. It has this little like star dangly on it, and there's the cherry right in the middle of the bow. It's adorable. Yes, that is the headbow, and it is cotton. And now it's the moment we've all been waiting for, is the freaking dress. Dun, 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 dun. Yay! Here we are. Wow. Okay, here's the dress. Let's go ahead and get it on a hanger. Here she is. This is Sugary Carnival, made to order JSK in Saks. The straps, it gathers here at the beginning and then it kind of fans out just a little. It's got this very delicate scallop lace. You have two pink ribbons right here at the straps, and then on the bodice you have the print. Wow, which is really, really like detailed and very pretty. But up here right at the neckline it says Angelic Pretty, and it has the marshmallow poles and a whip detail. Very, very cute. And then right underneath that starts the border print, or I guess the print that goes into the border print, with more marshmallow poles, marshmallows, marshmallow stars. I saw some cherries. I think I even saw like a strawberry and even little faint stars in the background. The bow at the waist is fixed. It is not detachable. It is also cotton, and it's really well formed and well made. And there's the cherry right in the middle of it, which is really, really cute. And as you go down, there's more of that adorable print, more marshmallow poles, marshmallows. I see a marshmallow bunny, some more stars. And then once you get to the border print, you see these carousel ponies that are riding on the marshmallow poles. That's the poles that they sit on, and they're all very, very cute with stars and pastel colors, and they're just going around on the little carousel. And at the very, very bottom is the platform of the carousel, which has more whipped cream, more marshmallow poles, and more icing that says Angelic Pretty. And then at the very bottom, the lace is custom Angelic Pretty carousel lace and sacks. The details on the back include this pink corset lace-up detail. The back is partially shirred, and the buttons that hold up the straps are these bright pink iridescent buttons. They have a texture on them. I'm not quite sure what they are, but they're really, really pretty. And there's many versions of that hold the waist ties, and the waist ties are very thick. They're also made of cotton, and they also have this delicate star lace at the trim of them. Let's see if there's a pocket. So it has one pocket on the side opposite of the zipper. It's very cute, very classic, but like not classic as in classic Lolita, but classic as in classic sweet Lolita. Right off the bat, I think it looks a bit short, but I'm totally okay with that. Basically, that is Angelic Pretty's Sugary Carnival. I guess the only thing to do now is to go ahead and try it on. So I will go ahead and put this on my body, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have everything on, and I have a few things to say. First of all, the socks are so small. They are tiny, tiny socks. I have never put on a pair of socks that was this tight since the time I accidentally purchased kid socks from Target. It's so tiny. I think they're supposed to be over the knee socks, but they are just barely touching my knees. Like I can't really like stretch them further. There's not a lot of stretch. They're just really, really tiny. So that's really unfortunate. I really like the design of the socks, but like they just need to be for adult feet and not for children's feet and legs, because it's tight in the legs too. And I have chicken legs. I even have like tiny little chicken legs, and they don't even fit my chicken legs. So yeah, that's really unfortunate. But the dress and the head bow and everything is great. I really like the fit of the JSK. It fits me comfortably. I have heard people kind of complain about this MTO about not having enough bust room, and there's like not a lot of room for the titanes. There's not a lot of bust room, but it ends up fitting me very well because I do not have titanes. I do not have a bust. So yeah, it is a little bit short, a little bit shorter than your average Angelic Pretty JSK, so keep that in mind. But yeah, I just kind of threw this on over the same blouse that I was wearing. It is a very like monochromatic matchy look, which I'm not super mad about. And the head bow is really sturdy. It sticks up really nice. It's very, very cute. But yeah, overall, I'm very happy with my purchases, except for the socks. I'm pretty mad about the socks. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, maybe leave me a comment or consider subscribing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope that you keep on smiling, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.